Why should progressives care about falling birth rates? Birth rates are falling among progressives but not conservatives. Falling birth rates are rarely out of the news these days. Births hit record lows in the UK, US and much of Europe last year. But what those headlines miss is that the decline isn't spread evenly. It's disproportionately people on the progressive left who are having fewer children. Progressives place a higher value on women's freedom to choose, and many worry that population growth could worsen the climate crisis. In this sense, having fewer kids and bristling at birth rates discourse more generally is the natural progressive position. But beneath the surface, there's a paradox at play. Let's start with the politics. If people on the left have fewer kids, the demographic balance tilts right over time. Sure, many children rebel against their parents' politics, but on average there's still a strong correlation between the politics of parents and their kids. Indeed, studies find that a drop in the number of children raised in progressive households has already pushed US and European politics to the right. Falling birth rates on the left also means shrinking workforces and growing elderly populations, which require increases in tax rates and immigration to support, both of which can spark conservative backlash. What about the environment? Many assume fewer people equals lower emissions, but reality is more complex. Carbon emissions are driven much less by the number of people emitting than by how much each one emits. Emissions in the West have fallen rapidly even as populations have grown, thanks to cleaner technologies. This matters because younger societies are more innovative, while older ones often resist change. So the decline in progressive birth rates can actually slow further progress in tackling climate change rather than helping the planet. Ultimately, whether or not to have kids is a deeply personal choice. But if people are choosing childlessness because they believe it's greener or more progressive, the evidence suggests they should think again.